I just have to smoke my weed from January. Now January is over, February is here. I got to plant my weed to get it to burn right through the era. March I started chop my weed passer. This is for a worldly casa. My strain of weed must come first and not last. April my weed them look well. Must put the buyer them under a spell. And the whole of the weed man them as well. Me and my weed them look pretty. One of them come have to stay. I man just have to jump up and pray. My strain of weed must touch the highway. From Kingston to Montego Bay. Just please make you rubber them take it away today. Cause tomorrow will be June. That means I'll be getting some weed soon. You plan to go make a song in the afternoon. I'll come out the night like not too bright from the moon. I care for them still I would feel like cartoon. Cause next month is July. And them weed thief love tell lie. When them look right in your eye. One of them bush a spy. But somebody I go die. I go stay plan to make a fuss cutter. That's why I now cusser. Them with them must give me a little busser. September them strain I have to remember. When I take the first jar, I will sure just some lion paw and chant a little things to me there, yeah. Mama and Papa. October them with a come to take over. From Hanover to Balaclava. No more I can't get too drunk, I have to stay sober. January I begin to plant. February just a move ordinary. June I didn't know so I get some weed sooner. Go back then at December.
Hey, hey.